Samsung has a reputation for pushing boundaries in smartphone innovation, and with the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra, the brand aims to redefine user experience yet again. Beyond its futuristic features and enhancements, the trade-in values and pricing offers Samsung provides make this flagship phone accessible to a broader audience. In this article, we dive into the specifics of the Galaxy S25 Ultra's pricing, trade-in deals, and savings opportunities, helping you maximize the value of your upgrade. Reserve your Galaxy S25 Ultra now. Before we get into the details, here's why reserving your Galaxy S25 Ultra is the smartest move. By reserving, you unlock exclusive perks such as up to $1,250 in savings through trade-ins and instant credits, entry into a $5,000 giveaway, a $50 Samsung credit just for reserving. Reserving is quick and easy. Simply visit Samsung's reservation page, enter your details, and you're set to reap these benefits. Galaxy S25 Ultra pricing. What to expect? While official pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra hasn't been confirmed, Samsung is expected to maintain the price range similar to its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Here's what you can anticipate. Base model, 256GB, estimated at $1,200. Slight price increases for higher storage variants, if any, will likely remain nominal. Samsung is committed to offering value-packed trade-in programs, ensuring even flagship adopters can benefit from substantial discounts. Breaking down the trade-in values. The highlight of Samsung's upgrade program is its generous trade-in values, designed to make the transition to the Galaxy S25 Ultra as seamless as possible. Flagship trade-in offers. If you own the Galaxy S24 Ultra, Samsung offers a maximum trade-in credit of $900. That means the effective price of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could drop to just $400 after trade-in. Add in the $50 Samsung credit for reserving, and the total cost further reduces to $350. Older Galaxy models. Galaxy S23 Ultra, estimated trade-in value of $800. Galaxy S22 Ultra, likely around $700 to $750. These values, while slightly lower, still provide substantial savings. Samsung Instant Credit. On top of trade-in savings, Samsung is offering a $300 instant Samsung credit, which can be used to purchase accessories like cases, power banks, or chargers. Wearables such as the Galaxy Watch Ultra or Galaxy Buds. In total, the savings for eligible users can reach $1,250, making the Galaxy S25 Ultra an irresistible deal. Why trade-in programs matter? Samsung's trade-in offers highlight its customer-centric approach. These programs ensure that even users of older devices can enjoy cutting-edge technology without breaking the bank. By making the latest innovations more accessible, Samsung fosters brand loyalty and provides users with opportunities to stay ahead of the tech curve. Benefits of reserving early. Early reservation offers more than just savings. Priority access. Ensure you're among the first to receive the device. Exclusive offers. Unlock additional perks like bonus credits or giveaways. Hassle-free upgrades. Lock in trade-in values and pricing before the device hits the market. Making the upgrade decision. If you're debating whether to upgrade, consider these points. Are you using an older device? The trade-in savings are most significant for flagship users, but older device owners still gain substantial benefits. Need the latest features? The Galaxy S25 Ultra promises groundbreaking advancements in camera technology, performance, and battery life. Value-add incentives. With $1,250 in savings up for grabs, the financial appeal is undeniable. What's next? Reserve your Galaxy S25 Ultra via Samsung's official website. Take advantage of trade-in programs to maximize savings. Use your instant Samsung credit to enhance your experience with accessories and wearables. Final thoughts on the Galaxy S25 Ultra offers. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be not only a technological marvel, but also a financially sound investment. With trade-in values reaching $900, bonus credits of up to $350, and a host of additional perks for early reservers. This is an opportunity you don't want to miss. At Technology Review, we always emphasize the importance of value in your tech investments. The Galaxy S25 Ultra delivers on that promise, ensuring users enjoy the best in innovation without straining their budgets.